And you were speaking earlier in your makeup room that you had a movie.
Oh yes.
Tell me about that.
Oh, these guys, you know, this young boy from Soweto who wrote the script of the show, the story, you know, and I love being funny, you know me. I'm not a very serious person, unfortunately. I love being myself, and so they told me the Cassie stories. You know? They told me in the office, go Eclipse, Barry, and I know, you know what? Sisters, would you like to act in a drama, like, you know, this Cassie stories? I said, what? Me? I'm not joking, but no, we know you love that. Then I said, then for the fact that that young boy wrote the story, I said, it's okay. It's part of my giving back, you know? And then, and this young boy couldn't believe that, really, I said yes. And I said, it's okay, I'll do it. Because it's you, my boy, I will do it. It was fun.
And what do you play? What character? What is it called?
Tembi. Tembi is this woman who was involved with the father of that boy. My child is Tsepo, the one that wrote the story.
Yes, yes. And
then now, my husband, the father, is a drunkard. So, nasebezako feming enye ehulu so. And I ended up cheating with the boss and then I left so now I'm looking for my child because now we don't get children here. And imagine Ben then I go there, hey Ben, I need my baby. Look, I'm the Kosa woman. You know no Ben, the Fulundanam, the Fulundanam, and we let Ben up. Go to Mumdanam go. Upijano, Upija, Mile Cabbage, or So it's that character, that you know, that township kind of a woman. Yeah.
So you had fun playing it? I
had so much fun playing it. Yeah, it was like, wow. Can I really tempt you with this character? Let me see if I can do this.
Thank you, Osrips.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm already Tembi. Already.
Thank you.
Thank you, my dear.
So nice.
Thank you so much.